You got your own shirt on this morning? Show us how you like to wear it. Backwards? The other day he said he liked to wear it not only backwards but also inside out because he liked the turtles to be on the inside. Saturdays, they've always been my favorite, y'all. Especially pretty Saturdays in the fall. That just makes it even more wonderful. Nothing like the sound of a leaf blower in the morning. Lunchtime, we're gonna make some loaded bean burritos for lunch. We've got refried beans, cheese, sour cream, tomato, and I'm kind of thinking we need a little bacon in these. Do you think we need bacons?
Why are you making bacon and stuffed bean burritos?
I'm making loaded bean burritos, so I'm going to put bacon, cheese, sour cream.
Oh, loaded means more things than beans.
Yes.
I thought it meant you're going to put extra beans.
I like using this square pan for burritos if I'm cooking them inside because I can fit a lot of them on here. Where did I get this from? I think TJ Maxx. Yeah, Country Kitchen. Pretty sure I got it from TJ Maxx. I need to tighten up the handle. Go ahead and open up the beans and shred the cheese. We're going to put some lettuce on here too since I don't have avocado. I seem to have misplaced a cutting board. The kids love bean burritos. Usually I just put beans and cheese, but we're gonna take them to the next level this time. Okay, we got the cheese ready. I'll go ahead and let this pan start warming up over here. Okay, we're gonna put some sour cream, lettuce, tomato, and then the refried beans, bacon, and cheese. Then let me spread some butter on my pan over here. That's great, y'all. It's like Taco Supreme meets bean burrito. Wonderful. more. Go back home. Sorry. Or Sissy. Oh, I'm sorry, Sissy. Alright, y'all, it's a little bit later now. We're about to make a pumpkin pecan cobbler. This is kind of like the chocolate cobbler that we make, where you mix everything together, put some stuff on top, and then you pour hot water over the top of it, and it looks like you're making a disaster, but you're not. It turns out to be beautiful. That's what's going to happen with this. Do I have enough flour in here? I think I need to go get some more flour real fast. I'm going to get all the ingredients together, and then I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. Oh, and we need to preheat the oven to 350. It's cloudy again today, so if y'all saw yesterday's video, we were going to go to Brasstown Bald, or I was hoping that we were, but it was cloudy, and it's the highest point in Georgia, so if it's cloudy, you're not going to see anything. I was hoping to get to go and see all the fall leaf colors before they all fall off, but it's cloudy again today, so I might look at their webcam here in a minute though, because it's just spotty. It's not like complete cloud coverage like it was yesterday. It's just, you know, every now and then lots of clouds, so it might be okay up there this afternoon. We'll see. Oh yeah, I'm going to get some more flour. I'll be back. We got the flour. Let me grab some baking powder. I'll get everything set up and then we'll be ready. We need brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. We might be leaving the ginger out. It's okay if we... Oh, I found it. Trying to hide ginger. Butter, milk, and pumpkin. I have this pumpkin left from the big can that we used the other day for the... whatever the last pumpkin thing was we made. Okay, I'm melting the butter real quick. We just need a 1/4 cup and a tablespoon of milk. Whoops. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the casserole dish too, that way we have it ready to go when we get this all mixed up. We'll start with this bowl. We're gonna put a cup and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 2, 3. We'll just whisk that around a little bit and break up any big clumps. We need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2/3 of a cup of sugar. A teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. We'll just eyeball it. A 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. A 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we'll mix all this together. Alright, we're going to pour in the milk, and we're going to put in the 1/4 cup of melted butter, and we need a teaspoon of maple syrup. We'll go ahead and pour this into the casserole dish, and I think this one is deep enough that we're not going to need to put this on a baking sheet while it bakes, but I'll keep a watch on it and see. If it looks like it's going to overflow, we'll put it on a baking sheet, but I think it's going to be fine. Now for the topping, we need 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/3 cup of pecans chopped. So I'm going to chop some of these up a little smaller real quick. Y'all, one of the main ingredients to this pumpkin pecan cobbler is pumpkin, and I forgot to put it in there. So we're gonna add 1/2 cup of pumpkin now in here. I think it'll be fine. We can mix it in there. It's fine. We'll just eyeball 1/2 cup here. This is real, y'all. It's what happens. I just completely overlooked the pumpkin. We'll mix that in real quick. Sometimes things like that happen. You just fix it, you know? And nobody will ever know that you forgot the pumpkin. There you go. See? It never happened. Now we'll have more of a pumpkin swirl look. That's prettier anyway. Okay, back to the pecans. There we go. We'll mix this all together, and we're gonna put it on top of the now pumpkin mixture right here. And then we're just gonna heat up 1.5 cups of hot water in the microwave and pour it right over the top. What's gonna happen when this bakes up is this mixture is gonna turn into like a really caramelly wonderfulness. It'll be great. So we just pour this hot water over the top, and you're gonna be tempted to stir it, but don't stir it. You just pour this over, and it's going in the oven. I know, it looks like you just messed it up, but trust me, you did not mess it up. It's going in here at 350 for 40 minutes. I'll check it at 20 like I said, and I'm pretty sure our dish is deep enough that we won't have to worry about any overflow, but if you have a shallow dish, you might want to put it on a baking sheet when you put it in the oven. I'm gonna make a maple whipped cream. I just put some heavy cream in there, and we'll put a little bit of maple syrup and whip it up. Pumpkin pecan cobbler.
Pumpkin pecan cobbler.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's really good, baby. That's as fall as them blowing them leaves.
Right.
Wow, that's as good as it gets.
Yeah. How is the
Super. It's the texture of it's great. It's real smooth, creamy. Mm-hmm. And those little pecans in there are good, and I love that whipped cream.
Oh my goodness.
That's great, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
That is really good, I'm not kidding.
If y'all make this, tell your granny to hide.
Yeah, that's really good, I'm not kidding you.
That's amazing, y'all. The breading up under almost gets like a dumpling texture. And then, you got that caramel sauce that it made in there that you drizzle over the top. See that?
Good.
Wonderful. Y'all need to make this. Make this one weekend this November. Oh my goodness, when you get a pecan.
Yeah.
What?
Really good.
Y'all, please make this. Make this for your family. They will love you. Definitely do that maple whipped cream on there too.
只要